here's my next update. So I finished these stools and they look like crap, but I'm done with those. And I also painted these. I gave them several coats and they're mostly dry, but they're drying. So this is like the base, and then this will plug in somewhere like that, and something like that. And this one, the instructions say that you need to draw a bunch of lines on it. So we'll see what that's about once it's dry. So the next step is this cabinet. So this is what I need to do. And so looks like I have to be pretty careful so that I get all the parts correctly. So here it is, and then this time I'm making sure I have the grain the correct way. And I have my little centimeter, millimeter ruler and a pencil, and then some scissors when I get there. So that's it for now.